Hello friends, welcome back to our channel where we explore the ins and outs of various tax issues. Today, we're delving into a hot topic that's on everyone's mind, our medical expenses deductible. As we all know, medical costs can add up quickly, and it's important to understand how they might impact your taxes. So, stay tuned as we break down in 5 points all the rules and limitations to help you decide about medical expense deductions. 1. Medical expenses are tax-deductible if you itemize your deductions for a taxable year on Schedule A of Form 1040. In other words, if you claim a standard deduction, then forget about claiming a medical expense deduction from your gross income. 2. How much deduction is allowable? The maximum amount of medical expenses that can be deducted is the amount by which your unreimbursed medical expenses exceed 5% of your adjusted gross income, AGI. For example, if your AGI is $50,000 and your total medical expenses are $5,000, you can deduct only $2,500 because that amount exceeds 5% of $50,000. The first $3,750 of qualified expenses, which is 5% of $50,000, does not count. 3. What type of medical expense is deductible? Examples of medical expenses that can be deducted include doctor and dentist fees, prescription medications, and medical equipment. Other qualified medical expenses include long-term care services, medical transportation, and certain home improvements made for medical reasons. 4. What types of expenses are not eligible for deductions? Expenses on cosmetic procedures, non-prescription drugs, except insulin, and most over-the-counter items are generally not deductible. Secondly, you cannot deduct medical expenses if your employer or the insurance company reimburses them. 5. Is record-keeping required? Like any itemized deduction claim, record-keeping for medical expenses is essential. So, save receipts and invoices to support your deduction. Brought to you by irstaxapp.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Oh, yes, if you have any questions on the tax deductibility of medical expenses, please write in the comments section below.